didn't only come by herself, also he invited Oli Haskin, her some friends from the ocean too. So that's we call the beginning problem, I think.
Yeah, that's good. Any others? Do you have some idea?
Yeah.
Yes. And this paragraph called complication. That's good. And then to the third paragraph.
But having them, then came the ocean with all his friends, the whales, the fish, the tortoises, the crabs, and all the creatures that lived in the sea.
Okay? This paragraph tell you about what?
Yeah.
Or others? Yeah. Icha?
Third paragraph.
Yes.
In the problem is resolved.
Resolve.
Yeah.
Okay. The problem that when the sun and the moon invite the ocean and they came to the
little cottage.
yeah, and it's called resolution. Okay, next the third paragraph.
Oh my! The water rose higher and higher in the cottage. Soon there was no more room for the sun and the moon. Oh, poor they were.
And this paragraph, tell me what.
There is because Sosian live at their cottage, so I think there is no more room for sun and the moon.
Okay, so the problem rise again. Okay, so and it's called in paragraph. It's called
Complication.
complication. And for the last paragraph.
They rose up into the sky when they have lived ever since. Well, that's the story.
That's the story. And for the last paragraph, tell yes, Madria.
Why the sun and the moon?
Okay.
That's about the resolution of the problem and the end of the story.
Okay, that's good. So, what do you think the types of this paragraph of this story?
Narrative text.
Narrative text. What is narrative text?
Narrative text is kind of a text to entertain or to amuse the reader based on the story that happened maybe in long time ago or in 100 years ago.
Yeah, that's good. Any others? Do you have some opinion?
Yes.
Yes, okay, that's good. So that's narrative text, and when you listen the story, what grammatical structure that you use in the narrative text?
Past tense.
Past tense, and the formula of past tense is
Subject plus verb to
plus
complement.
Okay, that's good. It's narrative text. So in the narrative text there are the first orientation and then complication and solutions, and the grammatical structure is
Past
tense. Okay, and the narrative text use time like long time ago, long ago. Okay, that's narrative text. Next, I have a story still related with the moon and the sun, but it's you have to answer some question about the story. Okay, I will give you some questions. Okay, you have to answer the question based on the story that I will give you. Are you ready to answer?
Yeah.
Okay, let's hear.
Why do the moon and the sun never appear together? Long, long ago, the sun and the moon lived happily together in the sky. They always appeared together during the day and night. One day, the sun shone brightly, so that it almost burned the moon. The sunlight hurt the moon's eyes very much. This made the moon blind. The moon left the sun, although the sun had apologies to the moon. The sun loved the moon very much, so he chased her. He chased through the years and centuries, but has never caught the moon. That's why the sun shines during the day, and at night the moon appears. They will never unite again.
Do you get it? Or we listen again?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, I will give you once more time.
Why do the moon and the sun never appear together? Long, long ago, the sun and the moon lived happily together in the sky. They always appeared together during the day and night. One day, the sun shone brightly, so that it almost burned the moon. The sunlight hurt the moon's eyes very much. This made the moon blind. The moon left the sun, although the sun had apologies to the moon. The sun loved the moon very much, so he chased her. He chased through the years and centuries, but has never caught the moon. That's why the sun shines during the day, and at night the moon appears. They will never unite again.
Okay, you can answer it. Okay, it's okay. So that's all our lesson today. But before we close our meeting today, I will ask you again about narrative text. What is narrative text?
Narrative text is text which tells what happened because it takes time to be a story or a
Okay, Marlian, what is narrative text?
narrative text is text. The content is the text is tell about the story and like the novel, like the legend, myths, and stories.
Okay, Master, what's the grammatical structure that used in narrative text?
General classification and
Narrative text.
narrative text. Oh, sorry. Orientation, complication, and resolution.
Wahyu, what is orientation?
The orientation is the introduction of the story.
Complication
Complication is the beginning problem of the story.
and resolution.
The resolution is the result of problem of the story.
Okay, that's good. And the grammatical structure that used in narrative text is past tense. Okay. Okay, that's all our lesson today. I hope you can learn more and you can read again about narrative text or others. And next meeting we will talk about narrative text, but I will give you some other example of narrative text. And see you next week. And I have some, but I will give you some homework.
Oh no.
It's okay. I will give you homework to next week. Please find one narrative text, example of narrative text, and then please find the orientation, complication, and resolution of this text. Okay? Okay, that's all our meeting today. thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.